Assalamualaikum, this is Hamna Khalid from Ocean of Knowledge. Today I will tell you the detailed description of subject and predicate. First I will tell you the introduction of subject and predicate. Every sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. The subject is what the sentence is about and the predicate is which tells us something about the subject. I tell you the more introduction of subject and predicate to make the point more clear to you. The part which names the person or thing we are speaking about, this is called subject, and the part which tells something about the subject, this is called predicate of the sentence. Another notable thing is that the subject of the sentence usually comes in the start, but it is very rare, but occasionally it can come after the predicate. For example, here comes the bus. And the other notable thing is that in imperative sentences we often see that the subject is left out. How it is left out? When we say sit down, we know that we are addressing to the person which is standing in front of us, but the subject is left out. You is understood in the sentence, but it is left out. If we say sit down, it means you sit down, but we don't speak the word, the subject you. And the other example is thank him. When we say thank him, it means you thank him, but we don't speak the word subject you. It is understood with it, but we don't speak it, it is left out. Now we move towards the example of the subject and predicate, and we will find out in it where is subject and where is its predicate. Now I tell you the examples of subject and predicate so that it must be clear in your mind. The first example is he has a good memory. In it, he is a subject and has a good memory, it is its predicate. And the other example is the earth revolves around the sun. In it we can see that the earth is subject, and in it in the statement, in the predicate, we are talking about the subject, that it revolves around the sun, it is predicate. And the other example is Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. In is Islamabad is the subject and is the capital of Pakistan, it is predicate. It is predicate because it is talking about the subject. And the last example is which I tell you that sometime where there is the situation in which the subject comes in the end. It is occasionally, it is very rare, but it may be that the subject can come in the end. On the top of the hill lives a hermit. We are seeing that in it the subject came in the end, and on the top of the hill lives, it is its predicate because it is talking about a hermit. Okay, the lecture is over. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.